Hey everyone, I'm here today to show you how to download and navigate our new free easy to use app. So let's jump into the tutorial and let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, so your first step is going to be to open up your web browser. I am actually already on the Voice of Evangelism website, but you will go into your search bar and type in thevoiceofevangelism.com. And once you get that pulled up, you'll see at the top of the page either your Apple App Store, or if you're working with an Android, you'll see your Google Play Store there. So I'm using an iPhone today, so I'm going to click the App Store there. Once you click that, it'll automatically pull up the Tithely app. I have previously already downloaded it, but I'm going to re-download it here. And once that gets downloaded, alright, then we're going to open it here. Church app would like to send you notifications. Yes, you want to allow this because anytime we post anything new, we're going to automatically send you a notification, so that way you don't have to go searching for it. It'll automatically be sent to your phone and you can click on that and see what we just uploaded. Alright, so I already have the Voice of Evangelism app on my phone, so that's why it's giving me this option here. If I want to change the picture of the icon here, I'm just going to hit close. Alright, so here you have the news feed. If you click on that, you'll be able to see anything that we've just recently posted for the last few weeks. Alright, if you go back to videos here, alright, these are all the blog talk videos. These are all the talking it out videos that we do. You can go through there and see those. We'll go back to the home. Alright, if you go below that to sermons, you click that. These are only audio here. These are all the blog talks by my dad. Alright, if you see here prayer wall, you can click on here. And this is a really cool feature here because, you know, when you go to conferences and things like that and you're around a lot of like-minded people, you know, it's really exciting, it's a fun time, and then you go back home and you feel like you're not around all those like-minded people anymore. So this is really cool because you can go on here, you can put this is a prayer wall. If you see to the right the add button there, you click that, you can put your prayer title, you can put your name if you want to, that's optional, and you can put your prayer details. And we want to create sort of like a community here with a lot of like-minded people where they can go here and communicate to each other and encourage each other. So that's really cool there. If you go back to the home page, here's Give. If you click that Give, it's going to open up a new browser, and the reason for this is if you see at the top the lock button, that means this is a secure place that you can put your card information in, so that way you don't have to do it through the app. So here you'll put in your card information and whether you're giving tithe or whether you just want to give an offering, that's up to you. Alright, so we go back to the App Store. Alright, and to the right of that Give, you'll see photos here. We don't currently have anything on photos yet, but we are going to start working on that, just taking different photos in the office and things like that. So that'll be really cool. If you go down to events, we don't currently have anything here yet either, but anytime we post new videos or we have a new conference coming up or anything like that, we'll be posting all of that there. Alright, if you hit your About icon there, and it's just going to show you our address, the Voice of Evangelism, our name there. If you see down here, you can call. It'll pull up our phone number, service times, and website. If you click that website, it will take you directly to our website. Alright, if we go back to home there and you click at the top left, the 3 menu options there, you've got an inbox here. If you click that, you'll see where it's just welcomed you to our new app. We'll go back there and you have settings, your giving. It'll show you what you've given in the past, or it'll give you the option to give again. All right, let's get the app back open there. And there's also a contact support. Above that, you'll see our share this app. If you click on that, it's going to be able to give you the option to share our app with your friends and family. So that's a really cool feature. And that's how you use our new app. So if you guys have any questions, or if you're struggling on downloading the app or having a hard time navigating it, just send us an email at talkingitout@thevoiceofelvangelism.com. We'll help you step by step to get through it if you are struggling. But thank you so much for your support. Thank you for downloading the app, and make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.